Hi everyone, and welcome to our Polish Dream Home Build. This is day one of the project, and we're really excited to finally get started. Over the coming months, we'll be taking you through every step of building our dream home here in Poland, the ups, downs, and everything in between. Today, starting simple, marking out where the fence will go. It's not just about making the plot look neat, it helps us define the space, know exactly what we're working with, and of course keep everything secure once the real build starts working. So, we're measuring carefully, putting in the corner markers, and running string lines to make sure everything is square. It might not look like it much, but it's the first step in turning this empty plot into our home. If you like to follow along with the journey, from the very first fence post all the way to moving in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, bell notification, and join us brick by brick. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.